What's the meaning of cold snap? Cold snap. Cold snap.
Cold snap. Cold snap. A cold snap refers to a sudden and significant drop in temperature over a short period of time, typically lasting a few days. This can result in frost, ice, and snow, making it difficult to travel and causing damage to crops, plants, and exposed pipes. It can also increase the risk of hypothermia and other cold-related health issues. The severity of a cold snap depends on a variety of factors, including the duration and intensity of the cold air mass, as well as the region and time of year it occurs.